Today we're going to talk about National Geographic Kids. This is a free website. Just make sure you're on kids and nationalgeographic.com. You can see there's lots of different options of things you can do. There's some science stuff with animals. There's also some social studies stuff with history. So if you're interested in animals, you click up here. You can then choose the type of animal you want to learn about. Let's say I want a mammal. And then I want an Asian elephant. So I click there, it'll open up an article. Unfortunately, it won't read it to you, but you can read it yourself if you can, or look at the pictures. You can see up here, if I click, I can look at some pretty awesome pictures of elephants. And then down here, it'll tell you basic stuff like what they eat, how big they are, and then you can see where they live, and go further down and learn a little bit about the animal. There's also games on National Geographic. So there's quizzes, personality quizzes, action, funny fill-in. You can see here's a social studies one with On the Trail of Captain John Smith. There's some Greek gods. Let's say I want a sharks quiz. I can click right here, and then it'll quiz me on some facts about sharks to see how much I know, like which is the largest of all the sharks. I was right. There's also a number of videos. So here you can see weird animal selfies. There's some how-to videos like how to make rainbow unicorn ice pops. So it's just a really nice website with a lot of really good information and some really awesome pictures and video.